Today we are going to start our exercise 7.1. In question 1, in quadrilateral ABCD, this quadrilateral is given and AC is equals to AD. This is given, and it is given that this AB bisects this angle A. So that means ki AB is bisecting angle A. That means this CAB angle will be equal to this DAB angle. And now we have to prove that this ABC triangle is congruent to triangle ABD. Now in this triangle and this triangle ACB and ADB, AC is equals to AD. This is given to us. This angle is equals to this angle, as this AB is bisector of this angle. This is also given to us, and this line AB is common in both the triangles. So AB is equals to AB common. So these two triangles ABC and ADB will be congruent to each other by SAS congruence condition. Now by CPCT, and then we have to say that what we have to tell about BC and BD, that they are equal or no, or what we are getting from this condition. Now by CPCT we are getting that BC is equals to BD. Now that is corresponding parts of the congruent triangles, hence proved. Now in question 2, it is given to us that ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equals to BC and angle DAB is equals to angle CBA. Now prove these three conditions. What it is given to us, this AD is equals to BC. This AD is equals to BC, and then this DAB, this complete angle is equal to angle CBA, this angle. Now we have to prove that ABD, this triangle, is congruent to BAC, this triangle. Now and after that we have to prove that BD is equals to AC, and then we have to also prove that angle ABD, this angle is equals to angle BAC. Now taking these two triangles, this ABD, this is your A, B and D, and now according to this angle is given to us, this angle given to us, and then second triangle is BAC. So it will be BAC. This is our point A, this is B and this is C. And now it is given to us that AD is equals to BC and this angle A is equals to angle this B. This is given in the question. Now according to these, this side is equals to this side, this angle is equals to this angle, and this AB is equals to AB, that is common in both the triangles. So this angle, this side is equals to this side. This angle of triangle BAC is equal to angle BAD of this triangle, and AB is common in both the triangles. So by SAS condition, SAS, that is by SAS condition, these two triangles are congruent to each other, and by CPCT we can say that BD is equals to AC and angle ABD, that means B is at the center, so with B it is coming angle A, so ABD angle is equal to angle BAC by CPCT. Now in question 3rd, AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB. Show that CD bisects AB. It is given to us that this AD and BC, these two are equal perpendiculars to the line segment. ये AB लाइन है, इस लाइन के ऊपर दो परपेंडिकुलर्स बनाए गए हैं जो दोनों इक्वल मेजरमेंट के हैं. दैट मीन्स कि BC इज इक्वल्स टू AD, दिस इज गिवन टू अस, एंड दीज आर परपेंडिकुलर्स, दैट मीन्स दीज आर मेकिंग 90 डिग्री ऑन दिस लाइन. सो एंगल ABC is equals to 90 degree, and that will be equal to BAD, that is also equal to 90 degree. So we can say that these two angles are equal to each other, that is 90 degree. Now we have to prove that this CD line is bisecting this line AB. That means कि AO is equals to OB we have to prove. Now AD and BC are perpendiculars to AB. ये और ये लाइन्स परपेंडिकुलर्स हैं, तो दैट मीन्स स्ट्रेट लाइन्स हैं, तो ये पैरेलल लाइन्स होंगी. सो वी कैन से दैट एंगल दिस एंड एंगल दिस विल बी इक्वल टू ईच अदर बाय alternate angles. This is given to us equal, AD equals to BC, and this angle are equal, given 90 degree. So by angle side angle, these two triangles will be congruent to each other, that is AOD will be congruent to BOC triangle. Now by CPCT we can say that OB is equals to OA, hence proved. That means कि CD is bisecting this line AB. Now question 4. This is given to us that L is parallel to M and P is parallel to Q, and we have to prove that this triangle ABC is congruent to ADC or CDA we have to prove. Now L is parallel to M. This line is parallel to this line. Now by alternate angles we can say that angle 1 is equals to angle 2, and same way P is parallel to Q, it is given to us. So this line, this angle 4 will be equal to angle 3 by alternate angles we can say. Now by taking these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle CDA, angle 1 is equals to angle 2. This from first we can say, we have already proved it, and angle 3 is equals to angle 4, we have proved it earlier in from second, and this line AC is common in both the triangles. So by angle side angle rule, these two triangles are congruent to each other, hence proved. Now in question 5, line L is the bisector of angle A. This line is bisector of this angle A. That means this line is dividing this angle into two equal parts. And B is the point lying on this line L. And BP and BQ are perpendiculars from this B point on the arms of angle A. That means on this AQ and AP, these are the arms of angle A. So these are the perpendiculars drawn on these arms from point B. Now these are perpendiculars, that means this angle BQA is 90 degree, and same way BPA will be equal to 90 degree. And as this is the line, this is the angle bisector, so angle QAB is equals to angle PAB, that is 90 degree. That is given to us that this line is bisecting this angle. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that APB triangle is congruent to triangle AQB, and BP is equals to BQ, or B is equidistant from the arms of angle A. That means that this distance is equal to this distance we have to prove. Now by taking these two triangles APB and AQB, this angle is given to us equal to this angle. This is 90 degree, and this line AB is common in both the triangles. So by angle side, these two triangles are congruent to each other, and by CPCT we can say that BP is equals to BQ. That means B is equidistant from arms of angle A. Now question 6. It is given to us that AC is equal to AE, AB is equal to AD, and angle BAD, this angle is equal to EAC, this angle, and we have to prove that this BC is equal to DE, this DE. That means BC को हमें इस DE के इक्वल प्रूफ करना है. Now it is given to us that angle BAD is equals to EAC. Now if we add same thing, that means this angle on both the sides, इस एंगल में इसको ऐड करूँगी तो ये टोटल एंगल मिल जाएगा मुझे, दैट विल बी इक्वल टू बी ए सी. सो एंगल बी ए डी प्लस एंगल डी ए सी विल बी इक्वल टू एंगल बी ए सी. सिमिलर वे अगर सी ए ई में मैं ये एंगल ऐड करती हूँ तो मुझे ये वाला एंगल मिल जाएगा. सो दैट मीन्स कि एंगल डी ए सी प्लस एंगल सी ए ई विल बी इक्वल टू डी ए ई. So both these angles will be equal. Angle BAC will be equal to angle DAE. Now in triangle BAC and DAE, AB is equals to AD. It is given to us, and we have proved these two angles equal to each other. So angle BAC will be equal to DAE. So and after this, AC is equal to AE. This is given to us. We are taking these two triangles, this triangle and this triangle we are taking. तो इस ट्राइंगल की ये साइड इस साइड के इक्वल हो गई, इस ट्राइंगल का ये एंगल इस ट्राइंगल के इस एंगल के इक्वल हो गया, और ये साइड जो है इस ट्राइंगल की ए बी सी की ये साइड डी ए ई ट्राइंगल की इस साइड के इक्वल हो गई. तो दैट मीन्स साइड एंगल साइड, साइड एंगल साइड से ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रेंट हो गए. By these two will be congruent to each other. Then by CPCT we can say that BC is equal to DE. AB is a line segment and P is its midpoint. AB एक line segment given है और P उसका midpoint given है, तो इससे हम कह सकते हैं AP जो है वो PB के equal given है हमें, और D and E are points on the same side of AB such that angle BAD, angle BAD, that means this angle is equal to angle ABE, this ABE. So this angle is equal to this angle, this is given to us, and then EPA, that means this angle is equal to DPB, this angle. These three things are given to us. AP is equals to PB, this is given to us. This angle is equal to this angle, this is given to us, and this angle is equal to this angle, this is given to us. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that angle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP and AD is equal to BE. Now it is given to us that EPA is equals to DPB, this is given to us. Now if we add this angle on both the sides of these, तो इस एंगल में जब हम ये ऐड करेंगे तो हमें ये टोटल एंगल मिल जाएगा, और इस एंगल में भी ये ऐड करेंगे तो हमें ये वाला एंगल मिल जाएगा. तो दैट मीन्स वी आर एडिंग एंगल EPD on both sides. So angle EPA plus EPD will be equal to DPA और APD वन ऑन द सेम थिंग. तो ये वाला एंगल मिल गया हमें. इसी तरह से इस वाले एंगल में जब मैं ये वाला एंगल ऐड करूँगी तो मुझे मिल जाएगा EPB, ये वाला एंगल. सो दीज टू एंगल्स विल बी इक्वल टू ईच अदर. नाउ विल टेक दीज टू ट्राइंगल्स DAP and triangle EBP. We are taking these two triangles, this triangle and this triangle we are taking. Now this angle is equals to this angle and AP is equals to PB, this is given to us, and we have proved this angle equal to this angle. So by angle side angle, angle side angle, these two triangles will be congruent to each other. These two triangles are congruent to each other. So by CPCT we can say that AD is equals to BE, hence proved. Now in question 8, it is given to us that angle in triangle ABC, this triangle ABC is a right angled triangle, this is given to us, and right angled at C, that means this angle is equal to 90 degree given to us, and M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB, that means इस line का AB का midpoint है, so we can say that AM is equals to MB, and it is also given that DM is equals to CM. These two are equal to each other. That means AM is equals to this BM and DM is equal to CM. Now we have to prove that triangle AMC, this triangle is congruent to BMD, this triangle. Now by taking and angle DBC, this angle is a right angle triangle. The right angle, that means this is equal to 90 degree we have to prove, and then we have to prove that this triangle DBC is congruent to ACB, and after that we have to prove that CM is equals to half of AB. Now first condition we'll prove first part by taking this triangle AMC and DMB. AM is equals to BM, this is given to us. Then DM is equals to CM, this is also given to us. Now this angle AMC, that means this angle is equals to this angle by vertically opposite angles, and by SAS, these two triangles will be congruent to each other. And by CPCT we can say that this angle CAM, this angle will be equal to this angle. सी एंगल ए के साथ एंगल बी आ रहा है, सो ये एंगल ए के साथ ये वाला एंगल बी आ रहा है, सो एंगल सी ए एम इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल डी बी एम, एंड दीज टू आर alternate angles also. So we can say that this CA is parallel to DB. So AC is perpendicular to BC. अगर AC BC के ऊपर perpendicular है तो DB भी BC के ऊपर परपेंडिकुलर होगी, क्योंकि ये दोनों पैरेलल लाइंस है. तो अगर ये 90 डिग्री बना रहा है तो फिर ये भी 90 डिग्री बनाएगा. सो दैट मीन्स एंगल DBC इज अ राइट एंगल दैट इज 90 डिग्री. नाउ थर्ड पार्ट. इन थर्ड पार्ट वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट DBC is congruent to ACB. Now by taking these two triangles, DB is equal to AC by CPCT, as these two triangles were equal to each other. So by CPCT we can say that DB is equals to AC. So we are using it here. And angle DBC is equals to angle ACB, that is 90 degree. We have proved in the second part. And BC is common in both these two triangles. So by side angle side, these two triangles, triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB by SAS. Now fourth part. In fourth part, DC is equals to AB. As we have proved these two triangles DBC and ACB congruent, so we can say that this DC is equals to AB by CPCT. इसी को हम लिख सकते हैं DM plus CM. So DM plus CM will be equal to AB, और DM और CM हमें इक्वल गिवन थे तो हम DM की जगह CM लिख सकते हैं. तो CM plus CM is equals to AB. So 2 times of CM is equals to AB. That means CM is equals to, अब इस 2 को इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे तो half of AB, hence proved.